Stop.
What? What does it do?
Well, what do they usually put keys
I don't know. Is there something? What's going on? Get up and go look.
Yeah, that's
Frozen.
frozen. There's something.
I guess you gotta go outside.
Santa
It
Claus.
might not be. Unless it be a little plastic car. Santa's on her way out the door. What is it?
What did Santa bring? Oh my goodness!
Are you kidding me?
There's a car there? Oh my goodness!
I don't know what to say. Are you gonna go get in it?
Check it out.
Go video it.
What? You're not?
Go video it.
See if it runs.
How do I?
Just. There you go. Turn it to. Might have to let it out. Here. No, wait a minute. Oh, maybe it's one.
Don't you mean Santa drove it here?
Hang on, this isn't even the right key she put in there.
Oh my gosh. Sandra, for the camera, how happy are you?
I'm really happy.
It's a really nice car. Perfect condition. So now that you got that stereo, looks like you're not waiting that long to put it in.
I'm booming.
I'm shivering. Holy crap.